What's up, guys? Today we have unboxing of the solar system we have here, and before I open the box, let's take a look at the specifications. So it's called the instapark, and it has a power input 27 watt. It has a solar panel type monocrystalline. Number of DC is 12 volts. It has two outputs at 112 volts port 1, and we have 5 volts for port 2. Maximum output 15 watts combined. And as you can see, some other information regarding dimensions and operating temperature and so forth. So here's the instructions how to actually use it. We have to first open the fabric case, position it at the angle that directly and completely faces the sun. Allow the solar panel to warm up for a couple of minutes. Plug your devices, and then you're good to go. Alright, so let's just see the actual item. Now, it's kind of heavy. This one is a kilo and a half, almost a kilo and a half. So it's a little bit of a heavy item. So let me show you how it actually. So if we open it from here, you'll see there are two ports over here, and give you this pocket so you can store your mobile phones, store your tablets, whatever you want to put there. We have this. Oops, sorry. So we have this cable if you want to charge your laptop, and we have the car charger if you want to use it as well. So this is a very good item. It's very handy to use it in other situation. Well, we have our here. We have this one as well. This is for you to even put other installation here if you want to have a USB, for example. This is from the side, and if we open it from here, you can see this is the panels. So it has 4 panels, and this is enough for us to get enough energy to charge the phones or the tablets. And as you can see, these are high quality panels. I'm gonna give it a test and see how it's actually how fast it's charging, because I have bought before two solar chargers, and the first one failed for me. It was like very low grade Chinese product. The other one is the solar juice 2 from Zero Lemon. Zero Lemon probably produces kind of good quality product. So from now I'm just gonna give you another video for Zero Lemon, because I'm putting it in the sun for 7 days now and see how much it charges. That's for another video. So regarding this one, it seems like it's a good product. As you can see, 5 volts 15 watts, and the other one 12 volt for 15 to 18 watts. So this is a good indication. So I'm gonna give this a test and see how it actually performs. Thank you guys for watching the video. Please like and subscribe. See you guys later.